Who is the president of Asian Development Bank? Answer option B. Masatsugu Asakawa. NRI Day is observed on which of the following dates? January 9, February 9, March 9, February 14. Answer option A. January 9. Correcting errors in a computer program is called clearing, rectification, reconciliation, debugging. Answer option D. Debugging. Which of the following is the fastest system memory? RAM, ROM, cache memory, both A and B. Answer option C. Cache memory. Who is the top goal scorer in football history? Pele, Lionel Messi, Romario, Cristiano Ronaldo. Answer option D. Cristiano Ronaldo. Who among the following has won a calendar year Golden Slam? Bob Byan, Steffi Graf, Serena Williams, Andre Agassi. Answer option B. Steffi Graf. Which was the first classical language declared in India? Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Sanskrit. Answer option C. Tamil. What was the first name of All India Radio? Akashvani, Indian State Broadcasting Corporation, Indian Broadcasting Foundation, Indian State Broadcasting Service. Answer option D. Indian State Broadcasting Service. Who was honored with Kerala Jyoti in 2022? M.T. Vasudevan Nair, T. Madhav Menon, Om Cheri, Mammootty. Answer option A. M.T. Vasudevan Nair. Who won the International Booker Prize 2023? Shegan Karuna Tilage, Geetanjali Sri, Kiran Desai, Georgy Gospodinov. Answer option D. Georgy Gospodinov. Name the Chola king who built Gangaikonda Cholapuram. Rajaraja Chola 1, Rajendra Chola 1, Rajadiraja Chola 2, Kulotunga Chola 3. Answer option B. Rajendra Chola 1. Which British Governor General made sati practice illegal and punishable? Lord Mountbatten, Warren Hastings, Lord Wellesley, Lord William Bentinck. Answer option D. Lord William Bentinck. Who among the following is the oldest Veda? Yajurveda, Samaveda, Rigveda, Atharva Veda. Answer option C. Rigveda. River Indus empties into which water body? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea. Answer option D. Arabian Sea. What is the first month of the Islamic calendar? Ramadan, Rajab, Muharram, Safar. Answer option C. Muharram. Which planet in the solar system has the slowest rotation? Venus, Uranus, Neptune, Mercury. Answer option A. Venus. The year when St. Thomas landed in India, AD 42, AD 53, AD 52, AD 62. Answer option C. AD 52. How many districts were there in Kerala in January 1958? 7, 6, 8, 5. Answer option C. 8. Who is the present chairman of Central Vigilance Commission? Manjula Das, Khushvinder Vora, K.N. Vyas, P.K. Srivastava. Answer option D. P.K. Srivastava. Who is appointed as the 25th Chief Election Commissioner of India? Sushil Chandra, Sunil Arora, Rajiv Kumar, G.C. Murmu. Answer option C. Rajiv Kumar.